matter what industry you're in, safety and the environment are always top priority. However, this sometimes results in compromises on efficiency and operating costs. Not anymore. Introducing Purasolve Safety Solvents. Purasolve is a work-safe, environmentally compliant replacement for dangerous solvents such as MEK, toluene, acetone, kerosene and other benzene derivatives. Purasolve is designed to last 20 to 30 times longer than traditional solvents, and some products can be recycled for over 18 months, lowering costs and reducing toxic waste. Purasolve products have an extremely high flash point and low vapour pressure in comparison to other solvents, making them almost impossible to ignite under normal working conditions. Please don't try this with your average solvent. Irrespective of the ignition source, Purasolve remains safe in almost any situation, making it the perfect choice for all environments. Unlike traditional solvents, Purasolve evaporates very slowly, which dramatically reduces fumes and VOC exposure for workers. But all this safety doesn't come at the expense of performance. Even on the heaviest hydrocarbons, Purasolve is up to task, saving time, effort and operational costs. Purasolve has an enormous range of applications, both in the field and in workshops. Regardless of the application, Purasolve does it safer, better and at lower costs. Purasolve Safety Solvents. The future of solvents has arrived.